Right, good evening everyone. I hope you're all having a nice Christmas Eve. Thanks for stopping by to the channel. If you could help me out by dropping a like, subscribing, and any comments or questions you've got, please leave them in the boxes down below and I'll get back to each and every one of you. I'm going to talk about VeChain again today, like I always seem to be doing at the moment. It's just going to be a very quick video because I've got bits and pieces to be doing, but I thought I'd bring this to your attention. I'll start off by going through the crypto market as a whole. It's a very, very, very flat day, like this sort of time of year it generally is, across all markets. So there's like a 0.01% increase. Market cap is 812 billion, 24-hour trading volume of 17 billion, which is not a lot at all, really. Bitcoin dominance is 39.9%. A lot of people on holiday, so like the big boys, they're not going to be doing much crypto-wise at the moment. It's mainly going to be retail, so there's not going to be a lot of buying or selling, I wouldn't imagine, over the next few days. Doesn't really bother me as long as things are in the levels where I want to be buying. I'm happy with that. So onto VeChain's page, down 0.32%, still around the 0.016 area. A 1.179 billion market cap, and there's still 84% of the circulating supply out there for us. So you can see we're down slightly, but that really doesn't tell the whole story. So it's more about the Samsung partnership really, and how this article on Crypto Mode saying how the VeChain price should recover after sealing the Samsung partnership. In this article, we'll kick off our recommendation with two penny tokens with the highest potential for 2023, VeChain and the Hideaways. It's hard to put trust back into cryptocurrency, especially after the consequent events this year that wiped billions off the industry's value. But VeChain and the Hideaways, with their recent partnerships and stellar roadmaps, checked all the marks as investments that will give us a triple-digit gains next year. I'm not going to cover the Hideaways. I need to do some research into that, but I am hearing a lot about it. So VeChain seals deal with Samsung. I covered this the other day, but I'll go over it again. Just in time before the new year, VeChain seals a high-profile deal with Samsung shipbuilding business Samsung Heavy Industries, or SHI. Using the VeChain 4 blockchain, the SHI will apply decentralized technology to e-logbook data streams on operational vessels for the first time, an initiative that will enhance cybersecurity. Analysts say that the recent win will establish VeChain's name in the shipping industry as its first to find the blockchain platform's use case in ship cybersecurity. This can potentially bring billions into the network's pockets in the coming years. This is why I'm just positioning myself in this big. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, brilliant. But like, this is not financial advice, by the way. This is just like, I genuinely believe in this. That's why I'm putting a lot of money into it. Investors give more attention to cryptocurrencies with many use cases, especially after Terra Luna's crash this year. Luckily for fans, VeChain and the Hideaways could be scored at very low price despite their impressive utility. VeChain finds another way to be relevant. I've covered this before as well, but aside from its recent successful deal with Samsung, VeChain is also making its way into the billion-dollar carbon offset industry. The VeChain Foundation introduced the its latest initiative to help governments achieve carbon neutrality as part of their sustainability goals. V-Carbon reportedly comes with the carbon management system to act as a carbon consulting and carbon management service provider among clients. The recent good news sent VeChain's 24-hour trading volume to 4.34 million, higher than 1.39 million recorded the previous session, although price failed to give a positive reaction and fell 6.31% to 0.016 in the latest charts. But we've been around that area for a while now, until like there's more money coming into the market, and then these projects aren't really going to pump. But this one, I don't know how anyone can't be bullish on this. I'll quickly have a look at the chart. It's not going to tell you much. It's going to be much like it's done nothing all week. Where was Monday? So Monday, all the way up to Christmas Eve, there was a big down day on Monday, pulled back, and it's just been hovering around this 0.016 area. There's nothing technically there to tell me there's going to be a big move. So this is, for me, is accumulation time every day, every week, every month. I'm just going to keep buying. And I know the bull run will come eventually. I don't know when. I don't have a crystal ball. If there's anything technically that I can see. I mean, this all looks fairly bearish when you're looking at the moving average. Excuse me, I need a sip of my... Actually, it's beer tonight. It's not water because it's Christmas Eve. Excuse me. The moving averages are pointing downwards. Yeah, there's nothing bullish about it at all, but I'm not going to take the technicals into it. I know charts do matter. They do matter, but this one's not telling me anything. I'm all about utility, and this project has got a lot of utility, and the technicals will play out when the technicals play out. Like there, for example, there was a bearish setup. I don't trade these things, but there was another bearish setup there. Look, you made a high there, closed below, broke the low. It still would be in play. Actually, it's a 2-to-1 trade, so I'd expect it to go lower, but I don't take those trades on crypto markets because it's too unpredictable. But my reason behind being in this project is purely for the utility, and none of this is financial advice, but I see this, my genuine belief that this is going to go at least to $1. I can't see that not happening. If we go back to the monthly time frame, you can see that we've been as high as 27 cents. I'd expect us to blast through that the next bull run. That will just seem like nothing compared to what's coming. This was without all these partnerships. We're in much better shape for the upcoming months, years, and however long. Anyway, I'm going to leave it there for now. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful Christmas. Thank you for your support this year. I might make a few more videos before New Year's Eve, but I do genuinely appreciate everyone that's subscribed to this little channel. I'm not really getting anything out of it, but I do enjoy sharing my thoughts on the markets, and I genuinely appreciate people that have subscribed to me. I'd like to grow the channel in some way, so I'll just keep pumping out content, and hopefully the channel will grow organically rather than me by doing things like memberships and giveaways and whatnot. That's for other people to be doing. Okay, I'll leave it for there. Have a great evening and a great Christmas. Bye for now.